All right, folks, here we go. Monday morning. That's right. Weekend's over. It's back to work. Big week on tap. Why? Because we've got a lot of technology earnings due out. We've got Alphabet. We've got Amazon, Facebook, Apple. Number of big companies reporting their earnings this week. We've found ourselves in the midst of third quarter earnings for the last couple weeks. 84% of the S&P 500 companies that have reported thus far have beaten or come out better than expected with their earnings report. And on the back of that, we've seen this market continue to trade higher. We're seeing much of the same this morning in the pre. Nasdaq is the leader this morning, up just shy of 0.5% with its market move in the pre-market. Now, that said, you look at some of these other markets. Oil, also the big mover as of late. We've talked about it. Oil again this morning at a 7-year high, broke above $85 a barrel in WTI. We continue to see that market drive higher, even though there's a lot of speculation and rumblings out there that this market's overbought and we're due for a massive correction. Yet to have seen it. FX. Dollar strength this morning. Look at that euro dollar broke below 1.16. We now have a 1.15 handle on the euro dollar. So seeing that continuation of some dollar strength with the thought that we're going to see higher interest rates soon. Another big week, folks. Again, big earnings week. Could see some movement, particularly in these tech stocks. So look at that Nasdaq or that Tech 100 on the Nadex platform. Could get some action there. Let's have a big week. Everybody get in there, trade some price action. I'll see you tomorrow.